For several billion years, the Sun has been radiating energy at the rate of 3.9 times 10 to the power 26 watts. This energy, which allows life to exist on Earth, comes from thermonuclear fusion. As mentioned earlier, a temperature environment of several million kelvins is needed for fusion to take place. The condition in the Sun and other stars is just right for this process to occur. The fusion reaction in the Sun is a multi-step process in which hydrogen is burned into helium. The process by which this occurs is called proton-proton or pp cycle. Click the Step 1 button. The pp cycle starts with the collision of two protons to form a deuteron. Simultaneously, a positron and a neutrino are created. Click the Step 2 button. The deuteron collides with another proton to form a helium-3 nucleus with the emission of a gamma ray. Click the Step 3 button. Two helium-3 nuclei collide to form an alpha particle and two protons. Hydrogen burning in the Sun's core has been going on for about 5 billion years. Calculation shows that there is enough hydrogen left in the Sun to keep it going for about the same length of time into the future. What will happen then? Answer: the Sun will start to collapse under its own gravity. This will raise the core temperature and cause the outer part to expand, turning the Sun into what is called a red giant. It is difficult to initiate fusion because of the electrical repulsion between protons, and an extremely high temperature is required. At such high temperature, matter is in the plasma state. The main problem is the confinement of the plasma. At such a high temperature, holding the plasma in a stable arrangement and allowing fusion to take place is very difficult. The best solution so far is to use a magnetic field to confine the plasma's charged particles in a ring. The model above shows a tokamak, an evacuated donut-shaped chamber which uses magnetic force to confine the plasma, preventing it from touching the walls of the chamber. Summary: thermonuclear fusion takes place naturally in the Sun. The fusion reaction in the Sun is a multi-step process called proton-proton or pp cycle in which hydrogen is burned into helium. Fusion of nuclei can only take place at extremely high temperatures at which matter is in the plasma state. In a fusion reactor, a magnetic field is used to confine the plasma.